Custom maps on Minecraft are basically worlds that users have created complete with structures and inbuilt games. Maps created for the Java version of Minecraft are not compatible with the UWP version. If you want to install a map on Minecraft UWP, you need to find a map that's compatible with it. Once you've found a compatible map, download it. It will download as a zip or RAR file. Right-click it and extract it. In File Explorer, go to your user folder. To go to your user folder, open the C drive, select Users, select your user folder, select App Data. In the App Data folder, go to Local, Packages. Here, look for Microsoft.Minecraft UWP. Inside this folder, go to Local State, Games, com.mojang, and Minecraft Worlds. Paste the extracted map folder inside the Minecraft Worlds folder. Once you've done that, open Minecraft and click the play button. The map that you just pasted in the Minecraft Worlds folder will now appear with the other maps that you've created. Select it to start playing. If a map doesn't fully load, it means that the map isn't compatible with the UWP version.